Hey guys, welcome back to my beginner's portrait tutorial where I'll be sharing lots of tips and tricks. In our last class, we learned how to merge the colors for portrait. Let's begin today's coloring. Before moving ahead, in my workshop someone asked me, my lines are visible even after painting. These type of lines he was talking about. For that, what you can do is take a kneaded eraser like this and slightly run over your sketch, so these lines will become less prominent. So with the help of any kneaded eraser, you can get rid of this problem very easily. Before starting, let me show you my reference picture again. Here is a green undertone, here is a shadow, there is a highlight, and here is a yellow undertone. Let's begin. In our first layer, we are gonna place the colors. So in this area, my green undertone is quite prominent. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place the color till here it is. Here there's a normal skin. So the shadow here it is more towards pink. It's not like the shadow which we were making previously, no. Let me show you my palette. The first pink color which we made, in this only I'm gonna add this white color, and this color I'm gonna use here, and in case if needed we are gonna change the color. So it has little bit of orange, so I mixed. Let me show you again. I felt that is more pink, so in this also I have added little bit of orange. So my orange is here and I mixed the orange color. Let me place the color on point. So it is there till this point. Here there is a lighter skin tone. Basically there is a highlight. For our shadow color you are already aware. So here it is our shadow color. So I'll be placing the shadow color here. Basically it is coming from here only. So here right now I'll be placing skin color only, we'll see, because there are hairs here. So we need to check what colors are going. In this area there's a yellow undertone. So yellow undertone also you are aware. So we are gonna use the yellow undertone here. Here also it is there. There's a highlight over it. So I'll be placing white here. So now we are kind of aware which color is going where. Now it's time to blend. And here also I'll be placing skin color only. There's a highlight. So sometimes what happens is, like, initially we painted this area, but while painting the entire portrait we need to fix the small things, like here if I applied the new color here, so I need to merge here also. I can't just apply a patch and leave this portion like this. No, I need to merge this again with this side of area. So we are gonna merge it later on. So we'll start with this area. So right now I'll be not focusing on the minute details of eye portions. We are just focusing right now on the blending of the face. So here there's no visibility because hairs are there. So I'm doing normal skin color. Here there's a prominent skin tone, that is green. So what you can do is, on top of that green you need to apply your skin color. So it will be slightly visible, just like in this area we have done. Normal skin color I'm applying. We are again gonna apply this color here. So that was looking very pink. What I've done is I mix little bit of orange in that and then reapply this skin color here. Try to first blend these two colors. So we'll be merging this green area with the help of the skin color very nicely. pinkish color. Again clean your brush. Try merging. This color is quite dull here. Just clean your brush. Now there is a shadow. We need to merge this shadow with this color. So what you have to do is you have to check from where the shadow is coming, taking the skin color here. And try mixing it first. So first let me merge it. There's a quite prominent green undertone. So what I'll be doing is I'll reapply the color. As we already know, for blending two color we need to reapply in the second layer, and with the help of clean brush we need to blend it. So here we are going to blend this color nicely. I'm just blending this shadow nicely here. So there's a highlight here, that's why I applied little light color here, and I'm just merging this color here. This side also you can merge it. So whenever you feel like there's a need of merging, you can do. Okay, now we'll be focused on this area. Again the same thing, reapply the color. Try mixing these two colors together nicely. One more thing, the side where you want to increase, like if I want to increase the white color, my brush I have to run through this white color and then I have to go towards this area. Or in case I want to increase this red area, what I have to do is I'll run my brush through this area. Let me take a little bit of color here, and then I'll start going towards this direction. This is the easy way. Highlight here. For this area what you can do, we need to reapply this yellow tone color. This yellow color is quite prominent here, and this yellow color is going till here. Try blending this color with these colors. So this yellow color is till here. Firstly we'll blend these colors. So because this color is wet, so I'm blending from here only. This I'll be mixing. So again I'll be reapplying that highlight. I should not say yellow color, this is a yellow undertone. We need to mix a little skin color here just to balance it out. So you need to drag this color till here. Here I feel there's a more green undertone here. So I'll be just blending that as well. So in this highlight also there is a yellow color only. There's no proper dark brown color. Merge our highlight color and yellow tone. There's a white huge highlight here. So here is a highlight. Blending colors together. And this area I'm not sure, because in reference picture it's not visible. So what we are gonna do, we are gonna paint the shadow only, because anyways there are hairs, so this part will gonna come under the shadow. So here I feel this color and this color are looking quite similar, so I'll be making it little light here. So this is our third layer in which I'm looking at my reference picture and trying to correct the small things which we need to. So third layer is basically all about corrections. And for this area or this area, so wherever I feel I can just reapply it. So in this area we need little bit of this highlight color. So that we'll do later on anyways, no problem. While painting the eyes, we'll focus on these small details. I feel this area is a bit darker, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it little light. Time to time, whenever you feel something light or dark, look at your reference picture closely and try to change accordingly. Here I felt it was little dark, so I thought of making it light and just merge the colors together nicely. So I feel till now we are good. In our next class, I'll be painting the nose and I'll be sharing lots of tips and tricks with you to make it look more realistic. For that, subscribe to my channel, stay connected. Thank you.